Designed with a compact and ergonomic build, this oscillating multi-tool provides exceptional maneuverability and control, allowing users to effortlessly navigate tight spaces, corners, and angles. Its oscillating motion, characterized by rapid back and forth movements, empowers users to perform a wide range of tasks with unparalleled precision and ease. The SKIL Power Core 20 Brushless 20 volts Oscillating Toolkit is a versatile and high-performance power tool designed to handle a wide range of cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding tasks with ease. With a price tag of around $140, this tool offers exceptional value for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the SKIL Power Core 20 is its power assist capability, which allows you to charge other devices conveniently using the built-in USB port. The tool incorporates patented cooling technology that enhances its performance and extends its battery life. With this cooling system, the SKIL Power Core 20 provides a 25% longer run time compared to other similar tools on the market. With its fast 5-minute charging capability, you can quickly get back to work even if your battery is running low. This is particularly beneficial when you have tight deadlines or time-sensitive projects. To enhance user comfort and reduce fatigue, the SKIL Power Core 20 is equipped with a vibration reduction system. This feature minimizes vibrations during operation, allowing for more precise control and reducing strain on your hands and arms. The tool features a 3.6 degrees oscillation angle, providing efficient and precise cutting and sanding performance. Additionally, the SKIL Power Core 20 comes with an LED light, illuminating your work area for improved visibility and accuracy, especially in dimly lit environments or confined spaces. Overall, the SKIL Power Core 20 Brushless 20 volts Oscillating Toolkit offers a compelling combination of power, convenience, and durability. With its advanced features and affordable price point, it is an excellent choice for professionals and DIYers looking for a versatile and reliable tool to tackle various tasks. Introducing the Makita XMT04ZB Multi-Tool, a professional-grade power tool that combines versatility, durability, and convenience. With a price of around $170, this multi-tool offers exceptional value for both contractors and DIY enthusiasts. This Makita is designed to be compatible with the StarlockPlus, and StarlockPlus Max systems, making it a versatile choice that can accommodate a wide range of accessories. This compatibility ensures that you have access to a vast selection of cutting, sanding, and grinding options, allowing you to tackle various tasks with ease. One of the standout features of this multi-tool is the toolless clamp, which enables quick and easy accessory changes. With this feature, you can effortlessly switch between different attachments without the need for additional tools. It saves you valuable time on the job, enhancing productivity and efficiency. To provide precise control and flexibility, it offers 12x angle settings specifically designed for StarlockPlus accessories. These settings are conveniently placed at every 30 degrees from 0 to 360 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect angle for your specific application. Whether you need to make intricate cuts or perform detailed sanding, this multi-tool provides the versatility you need. The tool features a speed dial with 6 speed options, giving you the ability to adjust the tool's speed to match the requirements of your task. This allows for optimal performance and ensures you can achieve the desired results with ease. Whether you need high-speed cutting or precise low-speed sanding, the Makita XMT04ZB has you covered. Equipped with a brushless motor, this multi-tool delivers efficient power and extends the tool's overall lifespan. The brushless technology not only enhances performance but also increases battery life, allowing you to work longer without interruptions. This is the new GOP 18 volts-28 StarlockPlus Oscillating Multi-Tool from BOSCH. The tool provides the next-generation StarlockPlus 3D tool accessory interface, which provides outstanding grip, better performance, and greater versatility. Plus, cordless convenience. The tool uses the full range of StarlockPlus and StarlockPlus accessories. The brushless 4.0 amp EC motor with reinforced metal gearing delivers heavy-duty power every time. The 3D tool accessory interface creates a tight connection for best-in-class torque transfer. Accessories snap in place and release without you ever having to touch a hot blade. The 2.8-degree oscillating arc uses accessories efficiently and delivers excellent productivity. A convenient LED light illuminates dark work areas, while the tool's ergonomic design and small grip diameter make it comfortable to hold. This tool provides exceptional versatility for cutting many materials, including wood and chipboard, OSB, drywall, nails, metal pipe, and PVC. You can even flush cut with it. It can also be used for grinding, sanding, and scraping. Bosch offers an exceptionally wide array of oscillating blades, including 30 standard-duty Starlock blades and 5 heavy-duty StarlockPlus blades. All of which can be used with the GOP 18V-28. Bosch blade innovations include blades made from carbide for 30 times longer life than bimetal blades. The curved tech design reduces vibration by 36% for longer life. Plus, these blades give you the cleanest, smoothest, and most precise cuts of any oscillating saw on the market. A variable speed dial lets you set the optimal speed for any task, from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. Check out the GOP 18V-28 Starlock oscillating multi-tool from Bosch.